What is up YouTube, AVI back with another video, and as promised we are doing the first mod ever on the Mitsubishi Eclipse, and that's going to be the headlights. So you can see they look aftermarket, but they're just really messed up and they don't work properly on both sides. That's how we look, and we are upgrading to these. So I got these off Amazon. They're supposed to be LED halos with the 3 LEDs on the side here for your DRLs. Unfortunately, they are halogen bulbs, but we can change that out at another point in time. But so these are from Amazon, link in the description. There's no affiliate link, so we have nothing to do with them. And what you'll need is a 10mm nut remover. What do you call that? Oh yeah, 10mm ratchet. We're going to remove some 3 bolts, your headlights obviously. We're going to have to wire in some splice some wires for the DRLs, so get yourself a splicing kit right here with some protectors, from wire protectors, and then something that crimps the wires together. We're gonna just learn all this now because we don't really know how to do it, but it should be easy. It should be a quick mod, so let's get to it. So the headlights do come with instructions. I know some of you guys are maybe worried about that, so it tells you everything you need here. 10mm socket, that's what it's called. Remove the 3 bolts here, splice some wiring, and it should be one of the easier mods you can do to your Eclipse, and we'll show you everything. And this might be the best headlight mod for your Mitsubishi Eclipse, because I was looking around YouTube, they don't really show you everything, so we're going to try to show you guys in depth. So yeah. Firstly, 3 10mm bolts right here, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to start loosening them out.
Oh yeah. Oh, well, there's some tightening up. Yeah, we're good.
And now that you got those loosened up, you can hopefully loosen them by hand. I wish they supplied your own bolts. Oh, did I not loosen that one all the way? Yeah, I wish they gave you new hardware, because these are all like old and rusty. These are like 20-year-old bolts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, I think we could just lift off the headlight. If it's that easy, I'll be surprised. Yeah. Oh, okay. This one's kind of stuck into the bumper, but okay. So I think these are aftermarket headlights, so it looks like somebody has been playing around in here. So we're gonna try and we're gonna have to remove this. Okay guys, so coming on close deep into this thing, we already removed the headlight, and as you can see, these were aftermarket headlights in fact, so we're trying to think about this, removing the aftermarket headlight. They have the red wire spliced into this pink wire, so we're going to remove that, and they have the black wire grounded, and we're going to put our new black wire spliced into the black wire. So this will all make sense in a second. We're going to take this out, and we'll show you guys how to do the new headlight. Yep. Okay guys, good news. So the headlights do work. We have all the wires spliced in, and we're going to show you guys real quick because all cars are different. And so we took the blue wire from the aftermarket new headlights, we stuck them onto this pink wire, and we spliced them together. I know this looks a little ghetto, but we're gonna cover it up with some electrical tape and everything. You should use like some caps or covers, but we already have them in. We're gonna just tape them all together. Black obviously goes with the black for at the parking lights for the wiring kit, and all the lights work. So the ring light works, the LED DRLs work, and the headlights, low beams and high beams work. So we're going to show you guys at night how that looks, but so far so good. Now we're going to head to the passenger side and finish off, and we're going to show you guys the passenger side here. We have everything lined up, and just because it's different on the passenger side, we want to show you. We did let's see, there's a green wire that we used, and we had to splice that in there. So it's different from the driver's side, but just to show you guys, green to blue and then black to black, and everything works. Headlights, low beams, high beams, DRLs, and let's get some day shot clips in there, and let's do some night shot clips in there. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you guys. Check out for more Eclipse content, and just like that, AVI out.